how to turn off save posted video automatically to your phone on your Instagram account. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open your Instagram. Then when your Instagram is opening, you go down and you open your profile. Then you go to this three line and click. Then you go to settings and click again, and then go to account and click, and go to original post, and you will find the third option, save posted videos. You will turn off this option by clicking here at the right. You click like this, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful and helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel and if you have any question, can write it down in comments, and see you next video.